In this video, we will show you how to use alphabet characters saved in any Stitch file format to create a flawless logo. We're working with a calligraphic font where each letter is saved as an individual Stitch file, both in upper and lower case. To get started, simply go to Import from File and choose the letters you need to form the word. Let's write the word digitizer. So select the capital letter D to import it to your design. Now go back to import the letter I. Move it next to the letter D. And keep importing the letters you need to form the word. To import more than one letter together, just hold down the Control or Command key, depending on whether you have Windows or Mac, and click on the letters you want to select. Now move each letter to the right place. Since they are individual characters, we need to align them manually and adjust the space between them if needed. In contrast, when using the lettering tool with TrueType or pre-digitized fonts, features like baseline alignment and spacing are applied automatically. They also support kerning pairs, ensuring optimal spacing between the characters. You can further adjust the text options as necessary, making the design process faster and more precise. Notice that TrueType and pre-digitized fonts maintain proper baseline alignment. Even for letters with descenders, such as the letter G. An additional advantage is the flexibility in editing as the program recalculates the embroidery parameters. Also, the program arranges entry and exit points based on the text, improving the embroidering process. In this case, we need to make those adjustments manually. To do so, we need to select all characters. Right-click and choose Select All. When you do that, the Align icon appears in the toolbar. From the drop-down menu, select Align to the bottom. Now apply the equal horizontal spacing to distribute the letters evenly. Here we want the letters G and Z to align with the flow of the rest of the word. To do so, select these letters, holding the Control or Command key down, whatever applies to your computer, and select the letter E on which to base the alignment. When aligning, the last selected object acts as a reference, so now just choose Top from the Align menu. Since this is a calligraphic font, let's adjust each letter to slightly overlap the previous one to give the text more of a handwritten look. Hold the Control or Command key down while dragging a letter to move it horizontally. You can also use the arrow keys of your keyboard. The object moves by 1 mm to the direction of the arrow or by 0.1 mm if you hold along the Shift key, allowing for more precise adjustments. Move the remaining letters accordingly. We can also transform individual letters to achieve the look we want. For example, select the letter and use these highlighted handles to transform it. Alternatively, you may change the numeric values to scale it, or slightly rotate the letter D for a custom touch. Before changing the size, make sure that the Auto Density Adjust option is enabled. This will allow the software to automatically adjust the density of the object to match its new size. Additionally, you may fine-tune the density further to manually increase or decrease each letter's density, or even its color to fit your style. That's it, a customized logo using simple Stitch objects ready to be embroidered.